Welcome to Distinctive Spaces. Today I'm going to show you how to clean some of your silk planting and silk flower arrangements. Here are some of the items you will need. So let's begin with this silk plant. Pull the ferns from the base, give them a shake and plunge into warm soapy water. Give them a good wash and pop into cool, clean water to rinse. Give them a bit of a shake and place on either an old towel or Kleenex to dry out. Make sure you clean your pot too. If your silks are quite dusty or dirty, remove them and clean with warm soapy water and then rinse. Once again, let's pop them onto a towel or Kleenex to dry. This beautiful orchid arrangement could be cleaned in its container. You would need a small brush or duster to remove any light dust, or try a hairdryer on cold with a maximum speed setting. Don't blow away any base planting. If you have small stones, you can wash these. However, if you have preserved moss, this cannot get wet. Merely give it a good shake. Here we have a smaller arrangement set into acrylic to make it look like water. Then totally cover it with cling film to protect it. So, firstly dust and clean it. Dust off the petals and wash upside down carefully. It's very important not to get the acrylic wet, as this often will discolour. Rinse and then pop the arrangement on its side to dry. Need more help or want to book a cleaning and maintenance service? Contact us at bd@dspaces.co.za. We help you create beautiful spaces.